Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
New Delhi, as the water level of the Yamuna River in Delhi reached 208.46 meters on Thursday morning, flooding the main city, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal issued a fresh appeal to the public, urging them to avoid going to the affected areas. The government is actively involved in evacuation efforts, and Kejriwal called for cooperation during this emergency situation. The flood situation in Delhi has become a political battleground, with Kejriwal blaming Haryana for releasing excessive water from the Hathnikund barrage. In a letter to Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Kejriwal sought the central government's intervention in regulating the water flow from Haryana to Delhi. Although it has stopped raining in Delhi, the Yamuna water level surpassed the all-time high mark on Wednesday. Kejriwal stated that the water released from Haryana has caused flooding in the city, but he expects the situation to improve in the next 2 to 3 days. On Thursday, water entered areas like Ito and civil lines, exacerbating the existing flood situation in low-lying areas. The rising water level of the Yamuna poses a serious threat, with the river overflowing onto nearby roads. Citizens are strongly advised to avoid these routes for their safety. Efforts are underway to evacuate people from densely populated areas affected by the floods, and the cooperation of residents in these areas is vital. The preservation of human lives is of utmost importance during such calamities. A plea is made to all the people of Delhi to unite and support each other in any way possible during this critical time. Government and private schools in flood-affected areas of Delhi have been ordered to remain closed until further notice. In the face of this natural disaster, it is crucial for the entire community to come together, extend support, and prioritize the safety and well-being of all residents. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.